This is not a watch. So what exactly is it and how different it is from a regular watch? Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here and we are going to talk about a watch, but this is not a watch. So we have received a new product. It is kind of a different product. That's why we thought of covering this. So generally we don't cover anything other than smartphones, smart gadgets, laptops, etc. But this is a different product we received. This is the Tesla Rebalance T1 watch. Now what exactly is different from the regular watch? That's what we are going to talk about. So that's why company says this is not a regular watch. So what it is? So this is a new watch which has been launched in India. So it's a Tesla Swiss made watches which has been launched in India a few months back, some time back in April 2020. Now these are premium luxury watches, but they're not the regular Swiss made watches. But what exactly is this? Let's first unbox this. So this is the Tesla one. So this is the Rebalance T1 watch. So Tesla Swiss made. So opening up, you can see the Tesla Rebalance T1. So let's take this out, and you also get the warranty card. So that's all inside the box. Now what exactly is different? That's what we're going to find. So let's first take this out. So you can see that the strap looks really good. It's a premium quality strap, and we'll just keep this box. So this is the new Tesla Rebalance T1 watch. Now in the first look you might find it kind of a regular Swiss made watch. Now it has a steel chassis here. You can see that it's very premium chassis, very strong build, and you can see that the back also looks really good. We have the leather strap. It's a very good quality leather strap. It feels really nice. The Tesla branding is there, and you can see the genuine leather mentioned here. Now you can also see the option to change time, and you can see the seconds dial is kind of different. You can see that it's kind of a very different dial. Now what's different on this watch? That's what we are going to talk about. So you can see that the back panel has you can see the Sapphire crystal mentioned and Swiss made, and it has a different chip apart from the Swiss made regular watch. It has a different chip which is made in US with quantum technology. So it's kind of ELF nanotech chip. That's the chip included in this. So we'll talk about what exactly is this nano the ELF nanotech chip. So that's what we're going to explain. So in the current world, when we use all these gadgets, be it smartwatches, smart bands, Wi-Fi, laptop, tablets, all these things have electromagnetic frequencies. Now this is kind of what scientists claim. This is electromagnetic radiation, or this is kind of polluting the body. So we are exposed to a lot of electromagnetic frequencies, and as a result it impacts our body. And what happens is, because of these electromagnetic frequencies, our body immune system gets tampered, and also this leads to higher stress levels on your body. So that's what the scientist claims. So what this watch does is, apart from the regular watch mechanism, it has a magnetic coil which actually produces a frequency. We'll tell you why that frequency. So what this watch does is it actually syncs your body with Earth's natural frequency. So scientific studies have said that there is a frequency for Earth that's called the Earth's natural frequency, and the coil, magnetic coil, and the battery included in this watch produces somewhere around 7 to 9 hertz frequency. And what this frequency does is it actually it actually rebalances your body to Earth's frequency. That means it reduces the pollution you are exposed to with the electromagnetic frequencies, and it rebalances your body to Earth's natural frequency. Thereby your immune system improves, and you are the stress levels in your body also gets reduced. So this is the quantum technology. It's a quantum chip, ELF nanotech chip made in US with the quantum technology, and this has other movements like it's a Swiss made quartz movement, and it's a 50-meter water resistant, and stainless steel case is included. So that's the watch. So whenever you wear this watch, it actually has a frequency which it is transmitted to the body, and it rebalances with its natural frequency. That's why the name it is called the Tesla Rebalance T1 watch. So we'll just wear this watch and show you. So this is a kind of regular watch. So we have been using this watch for almost like more than a week now. So it feels quite good in hands as such, because it's a kind of regular watch in terms of looks, but then it acts based on this frequency. That's what the company claims, and this is a premium luxury watch actually made in Swiss. So if you want to buy them, they are available online stores. We'll share the link in the description of this video. As I said before, this is a luxury watch, and these are priced around 52k, that's 52,000 rupees. That's a standard starting price. There are different variants available. Unisex variant is also available. So based on which one you want, you can pick from the website, which is available in the description. As I said before, these are not the regular watches. These are really luxury Swiss watches, and this also has this additional ELF nanotech chip, which is made with quantum technology. So that was the quick hands-on with the Tesla Rebalance T1 watch, which is now available in India. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.